Welcome back to another edition of Tri-County Customs and what we're powder coating today. We are going to be doing up a four-wheeler frame today. Let's see here. As you can see, she's in hard shape. Quite a bit of rust. That steering bearing, when I took it out, came out in countless pieces. Don't think I found all the ball bearings yet. Frame needed to be welded. Had a good guy weld that up. The zap was broken. Along the bottom of the frame needed to be patched up. Another spot here. And a spot there. Joel over at 6 Hour Customs welded that up for me. He's also a good customer of mine. Now I'm going to take this frame out, sandblast it, see if I can't make it look somewhat decent and ready to see some powder.
A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, there she is, all sandblasted clean, ready to go in the oven tomorrow, get powder coated. When I'm done, it's going to be a nice bright white. But before I can do all that, I've got a lot more holes to plug, keep the threads clean, some pre-treatment, put some zinc primer down, and then followed up with a nice top coat of gloss white. Welcome back. As you can see, the frame we had yesterday looked a heck of a lot better than it did. You see got everything all plugged up. All my silicone plugs. This is ready to start getting some primer coat. We're going to be spraying the zinc primer to hopefully keep it from rusting out. heat that up. There is a few spots I'm going to go back in and touch once it gets some heat onto it, like these tight little corners. Get rid of the Faraday cage areas and make this keep it looking better. Everyone, here it is. You saw it go from a rusty frame to getting some primer, and now a nice fresh brand new looking four-wheeler frame, all set to be put back together. Everything's been kept clean, kept all the threaded holes nice and clean. As you can see, a lot of sacrificial bolts in there to keep them clean, right down to where the bearing goes. So if you're liking my videos, like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more stuff coming up. There's going to be a lot more custom parts, some more side-by-side parts. A whole bunch of different colors going to be sprayed here in the near future. So click that subscribe, stick around, and let's enjoy the journey together.